Thank you for choosing DataCAT. My name's Chris Archibald. I'm the Managing Director of GDPR Design. DataCAT is an affordable solution for small businesses and organisations to help them comply with the General Data Protection Regulation. This video will show you just how easy it is to set up DataCAT and use it in your organisation. Here you can see DataCAT live on a website. This is where you can tell your website users about how you collect and manage personal data. Here you can easily show your privacy notice so users of your website can be fully informed. This includes key information such as what data you need and why you need it, their rights as data subjects, who you share information with, and how they can raise both questions and concerns. Alongside your privacy notice, website users can understand more about how you'll manage consent. They can understand what third-party scripts you run on your website to ensure they're as informed as possible about where their personal data will be used. As an example, here's Facebook. They can visit the Facebook site through the link and understand Facebook's privacy policy. They can provide consent using opt-in choices to clear and explicit requests. Once a website user is finished, they can minimize the pop-up to maximize their experience of your website. At any time, they can return to the pop-up and change their communication preferences, allowing them to have more control over how their personal data is used. In this section, we're going to show you how to install DataCAT onto your website, including configuring the policy suite that comes as part of the application. Once your account is up and running, you will receive an email that looks like this. Key to completing the policies included with DataCAT is understanding what personal data you hold. We've attached a simple template to help you with this, along with clear instructions to step you through how you use the template. Click on the link to take you through to the application and sign in using your email address and the password that has been provided. This will then take you through to the DataCAT dashboard. Step 1 is building your consent page, so providing the information on how you'll manage consent and configuring how your website users can provide consent. Here you can style your consent page. You can change the main colours, you can change the text colours, all to fit with your brand and website look and feel. You can present your consent pop-up via full screen or cropped, whichever best suits your website. Here you can describe how you manage consent. The application comes preloaded with a summary that you can tailor based on your specific requirements by following the instructions in block capitals. You can identify third-party scripts that may run on your website for applications such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can select these from the menu, read the description, and confirm. At the bottom of the page, you can configure the channels you would like to use to market to potential and existing customers. To add channels, simply type into the text box and click Add. You can add as many channels as you would like. When you've finished, click Save Progress and then Live Preview to see what your consent page will look like. To continue with the DataCAT setup, click back to take you through to the dashboard. We now need to build our policy page. As you did in the consent page, you can style your policy page in line with your website. You can then move on to completing your privacy notice. Included is a templated GDPR compliant privacy notice, which you fill in line with the block capital instructions. Once you've completed the privacy notice, you need to download and edit each policy document. For each document, read through and edit in line with the red block capital instructions. Once you've completed a document, save this as a PDF. If you want maximum transparency, you can then upload these PDFs back to DataCAT. Click in the document title box and complete a relevant document title. Click in the Choose File area and select the appropriate file. When this is finished, click Save Progress and then click Live Preview to see what your policy page will look like. When you're happy, click back to return to the DataCAT dashboard to continue configuring the application. final step in setting up DataCAT is configuring the website pop-up. Again, you can style in line with your website. The application comes with preloaded text you can edit to suit your preferences. Once complete, click Save Progress. Then, click Live Preview to see what your website pop-up will look like. Once satisfied, finally click Generate Code and copy and paste this code into the header of the pages on your website. Once you're finished, hit back to return to the DataCAT dashboard. In this section, we'll show you how to add additional users, and for subscribers to DataCAT Multi-Business and DataCAT Enterprise, how you add multiple domains. To add a new user, click on the My Account button first. Then, click on the Users button. Click on the plus sign to add a new user. Fill in the details and assign a password. This must be at least 6 digits long. When you've done this, click Save. Your new user should now appear at the bottom of the screen. Make sure the status is active. When you've finished, click the back button to return to the DataCAT dashboard. To add new domains, click on My Account. Click on Domains. Then click on the plus sign to add a new domain. Enter your website address and upload a logo. Once you've done this, click Save. Your domain should appear at the bottom of the screen. When you're done, click the back button to return to the DataCAT dashboard.